It is Monday, December 25th. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever holiday you celebrate on this day. I wish you guys a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this day with your friends and family. In this episode of the Coin Alley, I will be talking with you guys about Escroco. Escroco is a new escrow company which will protect investors by allowing them to place funds with them instead of the investment companies directly. Similar to the failed Chain Group, except they will have their own token. Will this be the legit Chain Group? I'll tell you more coming right up. Let's do it. And we're back. Welcome to the Coin Alley. I am your host, WT, and it is the first day of our first day of Christmas. So be sure to stay tuned through the video and listen carefully for clues, and be sure to submit your answers as you were previously directed. Now, Escroco ended their ICO about a month ago, and I'm kind of sad that I didn't get involved in their ICO. I actually let this one slip by, but you can't get involved in all of them. So their ICO was a success, and they have exited their ICO, and they're now listed on Livecoin. Now, if you're not familiar with Escroco, they're offering you a service that is somewhat similar to Chain Group, and we all know Chain Group did us dirty. They closed up shop and went out of business, or whatever they did. But that's in the past. We've learned our lessons from those type of programs that are similar to high yield investment programs. But what makes Escroco different, I'll tell you. So they're going to be the middleman between us, the investors, and the other people, which are the borrowers. So they have borrowers and they have investors. So the borrowers are the people who are putting up the plans that we're investing in, and what they're hoping to what they're planning on doing is that these borrowers, when they get on the platform, they have to submit a proposal. They're going to be investigated, reviewed by Escroco to ensure that their business is sound and they are secure. And then they'll have to purchase tokens and set that aside as a security in case something goes wrong. Now, by them purchasing tokens, that will actually allow for the Escroco token to appreciate over time. And now the company itself will definitely make a profit based on the appreciation of the coin token. And also, I'm sure they probably will charge some sort of fees for the borrowers. So right now, the investment platform is open. It's just a login page. The borrowers platform is not open as yet because the company is still fairly new. But right now, you're able to secure your tokens over on Livecoin. But first, if you've been enjoying my videos, I certainly would appreciate a thumbs up, and by you hitting the subscribe button. Be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. It helps keep the conversation going even after the video is over. Plus, it provides motivation and gives me something to do. It encourages me to keep bringing you guys great content. Thank you so very much for all your support. And now on to our update. So if we look over here at Livecoin, you'll see that the Escroco coin is currently trading. Now today I did manage to pick up about 207 of those tokens, and I'm going to hold on to those for a little bit to see how that coin, or how it actually progresses, how it performs. Now if you're looking to get into Escroco, you are able to purchase on the Livecoin net exchange, and let's take a look at the price right now and see exactly where they're trading. Now I believe earlier today I got it around $1.67. Within the last 24 hours Let's see where the high and low is at this point. Let's see here. So there's a few sell orders, as you can see here. And over here you have these buy orders. And then the trade history here at the bottom. So actually, correction, I got in at $1.91. So I got 207 at $1.91. So, you know, it's not a bad price, especially where they're projecting this coin could go at once it is launched on an external exchange. Now, of course, be sure to do your due diligence, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. It doesn't mean that you have to go out and do this. This is just, you know, my own bias and on what I'm currently holding in my portfolio. As I mentioned before, you want a well-balanced portfolio. So you don't want to put everything in one type of investment. You want to mitigate your risk. That way, if something was to go south, then you wouldn't be left devastated. So here's their white paper, and I'll leave a link for you guys to review the white paper so you can review what the company's all about and what they're planning on doing with their token. So how are the funds raised? So here you have 5 points. You've got your frozen deposits. When borrowers want to borrow a large amount of Bitcoin, he will have to have some Escroco token, which then he will freeze in escrow account until the end of his package. He can get Escroco back. And then you have referral charges. This is a fee that is tagged to investment packages. It is to be paid by the borrower that created the package based on its patronage. And then you have your token appreciation. During the course of the business, it is expected that our tokens should increase in value. And you have your area of safety fund. From the token production, 2 million out of 3.1 million Escroco will be in circulation, while 1.1 million will be in the safety fund account and used for such purpose. So I really like the white paper. It's well put together. It gives you guys an understanding of the project and what they're hoping to bring to the market. I think, you know, Chain Group did have a great model, but unfortunately they didn't have a cryptocurrency behind it. So, you know, there was definitely some type of flaw in their program. It definitely could have worked, but, you know, I'm not sure what actually occurred in the end. But, you know, we might never find out the answer to that. So here you have the borrower plan. So that's for the investment groups or trade group, for lack of a better word. That's their information, how they'll get into the program. And here's your investor process for the investors. And here's their roadmap. Right now, the Escroco token is very volatile. So the price does definitely fluctuate quickly. So you got to get in at the very best possible time. So right now we're at Q4, expecting price to be $48. Next year, Q1, new exchanges, borrowers platform, which is in beta, and peer-to-peer investment escrow. Expected price 10 to 30, and then so on and so forth. And that's the information I have here on the white paper on Escroco. So here are the trading prices currently. 24-hour low is $1.15, and the 24-hour high is $1.96. And as you can see, as I mentioned before, I got in at $1.92. So it's definitely going back up. So guys, what are your thoughts on Escroco? There's a video here that I'll play for you guys briefly so you can see what their platform is about.
Escroco has arrived with a game-changing plan. Have you ever tried to invest online and it's like junk out there? Most of the online investment websites are scams and managed by amateurs, and finding a trusted one is almost impossible. But not anymore. Escroco will give investors a wide range of investment opportunities provided by borrowers around the world. After vetting and verifying the borrower identity and activities, we allow them to create investment packages on the platform, and each package will require to freeze some escrow tokens. Thereafter, we will assign a safety fund to work as insurance from the company fund, and just like that, the investors are insured from two sides: the freeze token from the borrower side and the safety fund from our company side. On the background, show numbers like 2% a day, 40% a month, or 200% yearly. All investors need to do is to relax and start receiving interest. Escroco have launched the initial token offering, and here are some of the reasons why we want you to join. Escroco token are based on the Wave platform, which is one of the top blockchain platforms. Only 3.1 million tokens will exist, which will make the coin value go to 10 times with no time. Our plans are unique and innovative, and there is no limit to where this can go. Minimizing the risk and maximizing the profit is our ultimate goal. Join us today. Visit www.escroco.co.
And there you have it. That's the video on Escroco. If you head over to Twitter, Escroco, they do have presence over on Twitter, and they just had a tweet yesterday that the borrowed platform to be ready within 48 hours. So if you have a company that can offer investment packages, you can post it here and start the verification process. So like how they're very transparent and giving the investors or the participants updated information as to where they are in the project. So guys, what are your thoughts on Escroco? Does it pass the sniff test? Is this something that you would look into? Would you invest in Escroco? What are your concerns? Let me know that information down in the comment section of the video. Today's secret word or phrase is Bethlehem. Now let's pick some winners from our last video. All right, let's pick our first winner. All right, we have Davor. Davor has won again. Awesome, I won Litecoin. Never win anything ever, to be honest. Thank you. All right, so we have Davor. All right, we have Metal Virus. All right. Crypto Strategist. We have Crypto Gladiator. And our last winner is Real Truth. All right. Congrats to the winners of our daily Litecoin giveaway. We have Davor, Metal Virus, Crypto Strategist, Crypto Gladiator, and Real Truth. Congratulations to all the winners of our daily giveaway. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to get your responses into me over on Telegram chat as you were previously instructed. Until our next video, take care of yourself and, of course, each other.